This is how you can download eFootball 2026. First open Play Store and then click on search bar and write eFootball. Click on eFootball Konami. Click on install. Wait a bit until the download is complete. By the way, the game size is over 2.69 GB, so don't forget to free up space on your phone before deciding to download it. Done, and then click on play. Choose the language and press done. Choose your country of residence and then click on next. Click on confirm. Now add your date of birth. Click on confirm and then next. Click on I agree to the above and then accept. Click on I agree to the above and then accept again. Click on confirm. Here you can choose based on whether you have previous experience with the game, and then click on continue and choose depends what inspired you to start playing eFootball. Choose depends. Have you played any football games other than eFootball, and then click on continue. Choose the username that will be displayed in the game. Click on download to download latest data. Wait until the download is complete. Now you can enjoy the best football game on your phone. Thanks for watching, tech enthusiasts. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech tricks. Drop your questions or ideas in the comments below and let's keep leveling up our tech game together. Catch you in the next video.